Good evening guys, welcome to Panic Solutions. Today we are going to see the project called IoT based smart parking system using Arduino UNO with Node MCU. In the smart parking system, we used two microcontrollers. One is Arduino UNO to control LCD and also to control these two motors and also to control these two IR sensors. And also we are having another microcontroller is Node MCU, which is used to make it as IoT as well as to have a control over this 4 IR sensor to detect a car. And also we are having L293D, which is known as a driver IC, which is used to drive the two DC motor. One is here and another one is here to control the gates. And we are having two 9-volt battery to control those two gates. And we are having LCD, which is used to have a display unit. And we are interfaced one buzzer here. And this is the inlet and this is the outlet of the parking slots. For display unit, we used the LCD in the inlet area of parking lot, which mentioned 4 slots: slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, which resembles the 4 slots here. And A resembles that available because there is no Okay, now I already uploaded the codes for both Arduino and Node MCU. First, initially I have to reset the Node MCU to connect with the network to make it as a web page control thing. I'm just pressing a reset here. So it is trying to connect with the network. So it is connected. Actually, if you see there, that it generates one IP address, which is a local IP. Now I just want to copy this local IP address and paste in the browser to generate one server-based web page. So in the username, I already configured with one name, admin, and password is root. So here IoT smart car parking, here slot 1, slot 2, and slot 3 and slot 4. And we are having these 4 slots. Now it is every 4 slots is available since there is no car here. So when we go for a live demo, I'm just entering this car to the first slot, just going in and I parked in the first slot. So if you seen here in the LCD, instead of slot 1, instead of A, it shows O, which is nothing but occupied. That is nothing but here LED. That is nothing but here IR sensor get triggered by having this car here in the first slot. So likewise, similarly, I just entering on the car. So two cars gets parked in 2 slots. If you see in the LCD here, that it resembles that slot 1 is occupied and slot 2 is occupied. In slot 3 and slot 4 is available to see in the web page. So if you see in the web page there it shows if you see in the web page there it shows slot 1 is occupied and slot 2 is also occupied. Now slot 3 and slot 4 is available. So now I'm just moving another car. So I parked at 3 slots here. I'm just refreshing the page. So if you see in the web page here, 3 slots is occupied and only 1 slot is free there. So now I'm just gonna move out of the parking slot. So now I'm just moving this red car out of the parking slots. So now red car is moved out of the parking slot, which is nothing but here parking lot 2 should be available now. So if you see in the LCD here, parking slot 1 is occupied and slot 2 is available, in slot 3 is occupied and slot 4 is available. So 2 parking slot is available, only 2 is occupied. Now if you want to see the web page, so this is mentioned that slot 2 and slot 4 is available now. To see in the web page, I'm just refreshing the web page in the server side. So here in the server side it mentioning like slot 1 is already occupied and slot 3 is occupied and slot 2 and slot 4 is available now. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. For more videos and for more projects, please visit pantecsolutions.net.